Hello everyone, welcome to 128 Bike. Today we're going to be talking about stability of process or how to make a good product when you are a purchasing manager. So let's say I am a purchasing manager looking for a good product to implement in my production of bicycles or any product as a matter of fact. What do I look in a product if I want my end product to be good, to be competitive, to have satisfied customers? What is that magic thing that I need to have? So is it the price? Is it the design? Is it the material? Or is it a smooth talking sales rep or customer service or what? What is that one thing that we are looking for? Well, as a matter of fact, all of these factors are important to some extent, but all of them are obsolete if you don't get the same exact product every time that you purchased. What does this actually mean? Well, if the quality of material is different every time, if the shade of the color of the product you receive is different, price is changing all of the time, product is performing great and then all of a sudden after a couple of months claims start coming in, or 2 years you have a great product and then third year it's claims all day long. So with one batch is good, another one is not. So in the end, no matter how competitive all other factors are, the price, the design, everything, in the end you have a bad product and even worse, unhappy customers in the end. So let me compare this in the real world. Why do we love McDonald's or Coca-Cola? So this is a perfect example why we always, when you go to another city, you always look to go to McDonald's and drink Coca-Cola, because you know you will get the same product every time. You know what you will get when you enter this restaurant or open this bottle. So this is important also to our customers, to our brand, to keep the consistency and so that our customers will know what they get when they buy from us. So everyone who is involved in production or ever was involved in production will tell you the same thing, that is to make that it is the most difficult thing to make the same exact product every time. All else is much easier than this. This is the most difficult thing in production. So when you are looking, if you're a purchasing manager and if you're looking for a supplier, then you first must determine that they have a good stability of process in their factory, that they are making the same product every time, no exceptions. So when choosing a vendor, everyone is asking first for the price, delivery time, payment terms, etc. This kind of things. But did you ever ask your supplier, how about your stability of process? Is it good? Do you have it in place? And honestly, after 20 years in trading, I never heard this question. I never heard anybody ask me, or I never heard anybody ask anybody else, how about your stability of process? And this might be the most important thing you can ask your supplier. So in conclusion, when you're choosing a partner, make sure you get to know them, see the factory if possible, make sure they have a stable process in production so that you get the same product every time. It's a really important thing for you to build your own brand, to build a stable production which is trouble-free, which will save you a lot of money. For example, if you have claims, that is like unknown how much money it will cost you if you have claims. And think of paying more for better stability of process as an insurance policy when buying a better product compared to a cheap one. So choose carefully and think about stability of process. Thank you for listening. And if you like what you hear, subscribe and see you soon with new content. Bye.